Here are a few workflow tips that can save you time when making pierogi. Let's get started. First, you don't have to do everything in one day. Most pierogi fillings can be made a day or two in advance and stored in the fridge. If you want homemade pierogi, but don't have a full afternoon free, prepping the filling ahead of time helps a lot. Pierogi dough can also rest in the fridge for at least a day, so you can make the dough and the filling on one day, then roll, fill, and cook the pierogi the next. Once you get comfortable with the process, batching is another time saver. There's some setup and cleanup involved when making pierogi, so it often makes sense to prepare a larger batch and freeze the extras for later. When cooking multiple batches, it's best to cook sweet pierogi first, then savory ones. Sometimes, small amount of filling can leak into the water, and it's much better to cook savory pierogi in slightly sweet water than the other way around. Finally, when filling pierogi, work in batches. It's usually much faster to cut out all the dough circles from the rolled out dough you're working with, then add filling to all of them and seal them in one go, instead of cutting, filling, and sealing one pierogi at a time.